It's helpful, but it's not essential, and we don't expect that you have it. If you do have it, that's really great. If you don't, that's really okay too. What it does is it helps you to understand the context that you're coming into, so it might give you a better understanding of what design is for stage and screen, but ultimately you're here to learn that, so we start from the beginning.
I think what's important is that when you do apply, you've had some thought about what you want to do with this training, where you want to go after your 2 years here. And if you have an idea of where you're heading, that will help you get the most out of your training. So yeah, if you have a sense of what it's like to be standby on a film, then that's great. You're not heading into some unknown future. If you know that you enjoy working backstage and working with performers, that's a good thing. If you haven't figured that out and then you come, that might not be quite what you were expecting, and we don't like disappointed people. We love people getting exactly the thing that they want. So that can be the benefit. But having said that, you are here to learn. We're not looking for experts. That happens actually after the 2 years. We're going to introduce you to a whole bunch of things and hopefully set you on the path for that future learning, future development down the road.
I think having some level of prior experience of working in group and working in a collaborative setting is really valuable before coming to Toi. Generally speaking, we're not expecting people to have any professional industry experience before they come to us. What is great though is when people have experience of working maybe in a local community theatre company, or maybe they've done the 24-hour film challenge. Maybe they've just worked on a production at their high school. And it might not be that it's in a creative context. It might be that it could be a sports context, or it could be in some other form of community group or community engagement. But yeah, that thing of being able to work with others in a group, to negotiate inside a team, so that we get the best out of everybody's contribution. That's a core skill. I would say that's something we're definitely looking for.
I think our intake is different every year, I'd say. And a lot of the students have had experience in a certain type of theatre. The broader the experience, the better, but not necessary.
No, you can have absolutely no experience whatsoever, but a willingness and a passion to follow your dreams is a good thing.
Passion and hard work is always what's needed in theatre to continue, So to come and train here with that is a great start.
Yeah, no, you don't have to have theatre or film experience whatsoever. You've got to be able to think outside the square and sometimes be opinionated and willing to look at things through a critical eye.
Well, having industry or acting experience before coming is, it can be helpful, but let's be clear, it's not a prerequisite. Having great life experience is also very helpful.
Yeah, I think of a graduate who was here maybe 4 years ago, and he came straight from the fishing boats to Toi Whakaari. He hadn't done any acting before. This was a thing that he'd always wanted to do, and now every time you look on screen, whether it be TV or film, he's there. So I think sometimes our doubt gets in the way of us really following the things that we want to do.